Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see classification of triangles based on the sides and based on angles. Okay. So first based on the sides. Equilateral triangle. So the name itself have equal. Okay. So a triangle with three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఉన్న త్రీ సైడ్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే ఆ ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నవి సేమ్ స్ట్రోక్స్తో కూడా మనం డినోట్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రోక్స్. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ దే త్రీ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. So this is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle with three equal sides is called equilateral triangle. Okay. In the equilateral triangle, angles also equal. See here, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Angles also equal. So sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. So each angle 60 degrees in equilateral triangle. Okay. Now a triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. So with two equal sides it is called isosceles. So same number of strokes undi chudandi, single stroke. That means these two are equal. 2.5, 2.5. Here 4. So two sides equal ga undi kada. So that is called isosceles triangle. Now the last one, scalene triangle. మూడు కూడా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి. A triangle with no two sides are equal is called a scalene triangle. ఏవి కూడా సేమ్గా ఉండవు. A triangle with no two sides are equal are called scalene triangle. Okay. See, this is 2.5 and this is 3.5 and this 4 centimeters. So there is no equal sides, na? So that is called scalene triangle. So based on the sides we can divide into three types. Equilateral means three sides are equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal. And scalene triangle means three sides are different. That means there is no two sides are equal. See, check your progress. Here, classify the following triangles according to the length of their sides. Here 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Two sides are equal. So they are called isosceles triangle. So this is called isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Now here 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. No two sides are equal. So this is scalene triangle. What is this? Scalene triangle. Now 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Three sides are equal. So this is equilateral triangle. What is this? Equilateral triangle. Now based on the measure of angles, again triangle can classify into three types. If all the three angles are acute, a triangle with all acute angles is called an acute angle triangle. So what is acute angle? Less than 90. ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఉన్న త్రీ యాంగిల్స్ కూడా మనకి 90 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటే that triangle can call acute angled triangle. Okay. Next, right angle triangle. ఇక్కడ acute అవ్వాలి అంటే all the three angles must be acute. Right angle అవ్వాలి అంటే one right angle ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. A triangle with one right angle is called a right angled triangle. And here most important one, in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. This ఇక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ రైట్ యాంగిల్కి ఆపోజిట్గా ఉన్న సైడ్నే మనము హైపోటెన్యూస్ అని అంటాము. ఓకే. సో ఇఫ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ have one right angle, that is called right angled triangle. Next, obtuse angled triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle. ఒకటి obtuse angle అయితే that is called obtuse angled triangle. Okay. See here in this triangle, this is 110. So that means greater than 90. అంటే ఇది ఏమైపోయింది? obtuse angle అయింది. So this triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Here, check your progress. Classify the following triangle according to the measure of their angles. So 60 degrees, 80 degrees, 40 degrees. So here all the three angles are acute. So this is acute angled triangle. And here one is obtuse. So this is obtuse angled triangle. And here one angle is right angle. So this is right angled triangle. So I wrote acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angled triangle. Okay. Now exercise 5.1. Classify the following triangle based on the length of their sides. Here also see, this is 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So there is no common sides. So this is scalene triangle. So we can write AB not equals to BC not equals to AC. So no two sides are equal, na? So this is scalene triangle. Triangle ABC is scalene triangle. Okay. So coming to the second one. See here all sides are equal, na? DE equals to EF equals to DF. All the three sides are equal. So therefore triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Coming to the third one. XY is equal to 2 centimeters and this one XZ 3.5. Coming to the third one, XZ is equal to YZ. Both are 3.5 centimeters, na? So two sides are equal. So this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Triangle XYZ is isosceles triangle. So fourth one, here strokes are there, no? So they mean PQ is equal to QR. PQ equals to QR. So two sides are equal, no? So triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So coming to the fifth one, all the three sides are equal. Strokes are there. So all the three sides are equal. So ST is equal to TU is equal to SU. So therefore triangle STU is equilateral triangle. Next see, there is no equal sides. Here one stroke, two strokes, three strokes. That means they are unequal. So XY not equals to YZ not equals to XZ. So therefore XYZ is scalene triangle. Three sides are unequal, no? So that is scalene triangle. Second question, classify the following triangles based on the measure of angles. Second question, classify the following triangles based on the measure of angles. So here angles they gave, na, 90, 50, 40. So one angle is 90. The triangle is right angled triangle. So this is right angled triangle. Okay. Now here 108, 49, 23. One angle is obtuse. So this is obtuse angled triangle. Next, coming to the third, C 34, 86, 60. All the three angles are acute angles, na? So three angles acute aithe that angle, the triangle is acute angled triangle. Okay. So this is acute angled triangle. Now, third question. Classify the following triangles based on their sides and also on their angles. Okay. See here first. Three sides are 3 centimeters, 4, 5. And ఇలా స్ట్రైట్గా ఉంటే 90 కదా, స్ట్రైట్గా ఉంటే 90. ఇది స్ట్రైట్గానే కొంచెం పక్కకు వచ్చినట్లుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ అబ్ట్యూజ్ యాంగిల్ కదా. సో స్కేలిన్ obtuse angled triangle. So we can write this as scalene obtuse angled triangle. Three sides different గా ఉన్నాయి. సో scalene and ఒకటి obtuse angle ఉంది. సో scalene obtuse angle triangle. Now this one, see, this is 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. And so that is three sides are different, no two equal sides. So that is, this is scalene triangle based on sides. And based on the angle, this is a right angle, na? So scalene right angled triangle. Scalene right angled triangle. Coming to the last one, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. Equilateral triangle. And all the angles are acute only. So equilateral acute angle triangle. Equilateral acute angled triangle. Okay. So this is exercise 5.1 solutions. Okay. So please like this video and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.